Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best garage door lubricant you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best garage door lubricant in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Mission Automotive Garage Door Lubricant. This is a grease-type dielectric lubricant that comes in a 8 ounces pack. It is quite a thick paste that can prevent oxidation of the metal surface, making it safe from rust for years to come. It can maintain its chemical consistency in harsh temperatures ranging from -55 to 570 degrees Fahrenheit. Using the Mission Automotive waterproof marine grease is also pretty simple and you won't need to make your hands dirty at all. In order to make the garage doors as good as new, the lubricant you are using must have a strong resistance to friction and feature strong chemical compounds. The following option from Mission Automotive is one such option, thus it falls in the premium product category. In the second place, you have a rather premium choice for a garage door lubricant. But despite its expensive price tag, it is still a favored choice for a lot of users due to its results. It comes with a built-in applicator, making it suitable for a wide range of materials like metal, rubber, and even plastic. Generally, the Mission Automotive waterproof marine grease is mostly preferred for heavy-duty applications like spark plugs, brake caliper plates, and other similar options. So you can imagine how effective it can be for your garage door. Our second best garage door lubricant is Gasoila Garage Door Lubricant. Gasoila is offering the cheapest solution for a garage door lubricant on our list. Whether it is quantity or performance, this product from Gasoila won't disappoint you. You will put in the Gasoila Deep Penetrating Oil. It is the most affordable garage door lubricant you will come across today on our list. But still, it is capable of clearing deep settled layers of rust from moving metallic components with ease. Thus, you will notice increased performance and smoothness right after applying this garage door lubricant. Apart from rust, the Gasoila Deep Penetrating Oil can also clear lead, tar, or grease deposits. Gasoila Deep Penetrating Oil is a suitable choice for a lot of applications such as threaded pipes, old and rusted machines, universal couplings, and many others apart from garage doors. It is completely silicone-free, making it a safer choice for the surrounding environment. And with the spray-type application, you can simply spray the lubricant on the part and you are good to go. Third pick in our list is 3-in-1 Garage Door Lubricant. The 3-in-1 professional garage door can be used on hinges, tracks, pulleys, chains, rollers, and any other metallic part that requires minimum friction to work. Once applied, it will remove existing problems from the components as well as prevent any further damage such as rust and corrosion. Plus, there are 2 canisters included in the package, offering 22 ounces of lubricant in the pack. When you are looking for a lubricant, especially one that is produced for garage doors, the first option you will come across is the one made by 3-in-1. This is a preferred choice for thousands and thousands of users because of its features and prominent results. The 3-in-1 professional garage door is our top choice for the best garage door lubricants and rightfully so since it manages to work with even the most damaged garage doors. As apparent from the title, this is a professional grade garage door lubricant that can minimize the garage door friction to a minimum level. Thus, you can expect a smoother operation from your garage door, whether it is your home or the garage door or warehouse. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Blaster Garage Door Lubricant. Blaster is another popular option for low-cost garage door lubricants. This brand also makes a wide range of other products like home accessories and entertainment devices. The Blaster Garage Door Lube is one more affordable option we are including on this list. Despite this, Its special formula easily replaces grease deposits and aerosol products from metallic surfaces. Furthermore, because this is a silicone-infused compound, it will provide long-term dependability due to the extreme pressure chemical agent. Aside from lubrication, the Blaster Garage Door Lube adds a protective layer to the part to prevent future problems. Furthermore, it can be used as a cleaner to remove long-settled rust layers without much effort. Blaster is also promising a track-free application so that it does not attract dirt and dust upon installation. Last in our best garage door lubricant list is WD-40 Garage Door Lubricant. While it comes to low-cost options, WD-40 is a great choice for a garage door lubricant. It also comes in a large canister, making it suitable for a variety of uses. With products like WD-40 Specialist Gel Lube, it is now possible to lubricate multiple squeaky doors and window frames without having to buy an expensive lubricant package. This is another of our low-cost options, and it comes in a 10 ounces canister. It is also equipped with a handy 8 inches long nozzle that you can bend as per your need to make the lubricant reach difficult areas. With that, WD-40 Specialist Gel Lube is capable of clearing up gathered rust from tight spaces and even from threads of permanently fixed screws. It manages that by breaking the oxidation bond and loosening up the rusted particles, making them easy to wash out. Plus, it also created a protective layer of lubricant to prevent rusting of the component in the future. The chemical compound of the WD-40 Specialist Gel Lube offers fast action and starts repairing the material as soon as you apply it. For details, let's watch more.